Hi guys, you're here with Tammy Fitness and I'm going to be filming my upper body pull session today. So enjoy. Look, I really don't want to. He needs to come train glutes. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with wide grip rows on the cable machine. I'll have to take my Crocs off as well. The next one we're going to be doing is close grip row. Right, again, first set, 10 reps, second set is an AMRAP round. Okay, so make sure you're having sufficient rest periods between each set as well so that you can get the most out of your reps, the most out of that set. So on this exercise, it is 2 sets of 12. After warming up on my rows, I usually allow myself to start off on a heavier weight for my first set on this one. And then usually it's on the second set that I bring it down. So today we're starting off on 30 on each side. Again, this is a back exercise, and the mistake that you often see people making with this is primarily pulling with their biceps. You really have to think about which muscle you're training with this exercise and try and focus on pulling with that. Usually what I try to do with my range of movement on this one is stop when I feel that I'm pulling more with my bicep, because to me that shows that I've reached the full potential of that movement. Into the end of a prep, so the weights are definitely starting to feel a lot heavier as well. Okay, so now we're going to do my least favorite exercise. We're on the last set of this one of back extensions. Just really don't like this exercise. I think everyone has that one that they don't enjoy, but often people like to act like they can enjoy anything and that every exercise is like enjoyable when sometimes it's just not. And that's the difference between motivation and determination, I guess. You have to do what's necessary. So for the previous sets, I used the 25 kg plate. A little bit awkward to hold, and then I hate you for putting these in my plan. All right, so next is long rope pulls. So I like to use these attachments from the arm curl machine, just because I think they help me get a really good range of movement on long rope pulls. It'd be good if I could get matching ones, right? Right, here we go. For this exercise, you don't need a lot of weight. Just have to make sure that you're getting a good range of movement, got your body positioned right. So you want to position your body so you get a nice stretch at the top, and then when you pull down on the movement, you'll kind of pull towards your belly button and tilt your chest upwards to finish the movement. And we're doing 3 sets of 15 reps. Okay, so for the next set, let's see how the movement looks from the back or the ceiling. So let's give you a look at how the exercise looks from the side. And pull, belly button, chest up. Okay, so now we're going to hit the lat pull down. How many sets have we got? We have got 2 sets of 12. So what I always like to say with training weights is that you don't always have to get the heaviest weight. You don't always have to reach the heaviest weight. I think it's always sensible to do a weight that you can sensibly control. And I usually only go up if that weight is starting to feel quite light, and I feel like I can control a heavier weight with just as good of a form. Okay, so we're just starting off with 35. So a really good personal trainer explained lat pull down to me when I first started training that. So shout out to Scott. I'll put his Instagram below this video. He said when you do a lat pull down, you want to feel like you're trying to break the bar in half. We're on to one of the last exercises. We've got bicep curls, and then we've got hammer curls. When I do my bicep curls, I like to push my shoulders back and not have them hunched over, because I want to make sure that I'm pulling with my bicep as much as I can. Okay, so finally we are on to the last exercise of hammer curls. Oh, and trust me, this session's been quite hard on that for me. I feel really exhausted. To be honest, in prep, my cardio is always quite high because I find it really hard to drop body fat. And at the moment, we're on 60 minutes fasted cardio and 60 minutes post-workout cardio. We both are doing on the stair climber, so it's taking its toll at the moment.